Hello y'all, Chef Jeffrey here back with another video on my Old School Soul Food channel. Hey, today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I've been getting requests to do recipes in this absolutely awesome invention called the Instant Pot. This thing had made me throw away my crock pot. This thing can do what a crock pot does. It's a pressure cooker. You can boil in here. You can sear things in this thing. I've had it for about almost 3 years now. It's an awesome equipment. I got them like maybe 6 to 8 months after they come out. They're a lot more cheaper than it was when I bought it. But anyway, I'm gonna do a recipe in here today. I'm gonna be doing my pulled pork sandwich in this thing. It takes about, normally when I do pulled pork in here, I'll do it maybe an hour and a half, but I'm gonna do mine almost 2 hours. Because what it is, I want this to come completely off the bone, where I can pick it off. I'm gonna put it on some of my sweet Hawaiian buns. I'm gonna toast off. I'm gonna top it with my old school barbecue sauce and my old school chow. So this is an awesome sandwich that I created with this. It's so good. I have so many flavors working together. And what's also so awesome about this, the flavors stay, you know, when you're boiling something or cooking something, like I'm boiling a pot right now, the flavor evaporates. In this, it doesn't. All that flavor intensifies into the product, which make food taste so much better in this. And it cooks so much faster. So let's get started here. What I'm gonna do here, move this over here. Like I said, it's about a 10-pound pork roast I got here. Take the top over here. Of course, I'm going to have to cut this in half because this is not going to fit in my Instant Pot. So I'm going to stick that part in there, other part put in there, shove it all in there like that. And then clean up here. Like I say, this recipe is on the description of the video, and it's so simple. Okay, got that in there. Y'all with me here. This is so easy. I'm gonna put my salt and pepper in there. I got brown sugar I'm gonna put in here. Just pour it all in there. I got some little liquid smoke I'm gonna put in here. I'm gonna give it that smoky flavor. A little Worcestershire sauce in there. All the way around in there. All right. I got apple cider vinegar put in there. And a small can of pineapple juice I'm putting in there. All that in there. Now, put the top on here. Make sure it's sealed. I'm going to put it on the put it on the meat and stew setting, and I'm gonna go down to 120. There we go. 120, and that's it. We're gonna cook it for 2 hours. 2 hours right there. And when we come back in 2 hours, this thing gonna be nice and tender. So we'll come back in 2 hours. I'm gonna have some buns toasted off. I'm gonna have got chow like I said, can put on top, and the smoked barbecue sauce. So anyway, we'll be back in 2 hours, and I'll tell you how it come out. Okay, y'all, we back. I already turned this off, and look, I'm gonna release the steam on this thing. I like to put a towel over it like that so it don't make a big mess on my counter. So while I release the steam, I'm gonna let the steam release off of here so I can open this safely, and I'm gonna toast some buns off. We're going to shred this up here a little, put my chow on there, and we're going to show you how I set it up. So I'll be right back. Let this release. All right, y'all, we back here. I just want to be a close-up view. I let the steam come off. I just want to show you a close-up view of it when I open it up. Look at that. Look at that there. Okay. See how tender that is? See that? See how tender to fold that off? Okay. I'm gonna move the camera back. Take this out, and we're gonna make the sandwich. But you can see all that. I didn't put much liquid in there at all. All that liquid I put in there at the beginning was just pineapple juice and apple cider. All other juice come from the meat. Well, I say you don't need much liquid in this Instant Pot. It creates its own liquid. So only just put enough liquid in there, which was flavor, pineapple juice and apple cider vinegar. I never add water to anything, as you know. But we'll be right back. I'm gonna adjust the camera back, and I'm gonna put this sandwich together. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back here. Now, what I want to do now, I want to take this out. This meat out here, and I'm gonna put it in this pan. Look at that. Ooh, my God, that's so awesome. Nice. Get this one out of here. Look at that. Kind of just falling apart. That's just awesome. You can smell the apple cider. And see how this bone come right out? See that? That bone comes right out of there. Up here. See how it just fall right off the bone? See that? That's what I want. I want that bone. All I want is meat. Like I say, this is just 2 hours in the Instant Pot. Nice and slow. Nice and slow here. Now another thing that I do, when I take it out, I'm going to take some of this liquid out of here. This stuff is nothing but flavor. And I'm going to pour a little of this over the meat, let it soak in there. It's going to give me some more flavor when I shredded it up. Look at that. That's all flavor. See? Look at that. And I like a little fat on mine. You can shred it like, you can chop it. Well, I just use my tongs and kind of shred it up like that. Look at that. It's falling apart here. Okay. We're going to move this pot over. I'm going to move this here over. And we're going to make the sandwiches right quick here. Like I say, I got these buns here I toasted off. And these are sweet Hawaiian rolls. I think it works so much good on this sandwich. See this? These sweet Hawaiian rolls, I use these. So what I'm going to do, like I say, you can shred this up. I like a little fat on mine though. Like I say, fat is flavor on this stuff. See that? I make a little fat on mine. Oh yeah. This stuff just falling apart. It's falling apart here. Look at that. Yes, sir. Now, I got my homemade chow. There's some recipes on the YouTube channel. Y'all should already be done made this. Some chow on there. Some little chow on there. Look at that. Then I'll have my, old school barbecue sauce. I got some in the bottle here. I put it in a squirt bottle. Just go all the way around there. That's just awesome goodness. Awesome goodness there. Look at that. The bun on top there. Shoot. Can't say that ain't good. Just can't say that's not good. Plate here. Plate this one up for the. Look at that. Look at that there. Stuff is good. This will be gone before the evening over. I got neighbors and relatives coming over. Neighbors and friends coming over. Look at that. Beautiful that is. Let me try this one here out. Let me try this out here. Oh my God. The tender, the flavor, the pork is very, very flavorful. With the apple cider vinegar, the sugar in there, have that Carolina taste. Plus with my barbecue sauce and the crunch from my chow. Hey, can't go wrong. Y'all gotta try this recipe because it's so easy. You just pour everything in the pot, go watch TV a couple hours, come back, go do some laundry, lawn work, whatever. So give this video a thumbs up. Please comment. Please subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of people watching my videos and none to subscribers. Please subscribe. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day. Old school pulled pork sandwich, y'all. Old school pulled pork sandwich. With chow, old school chow, and old school barbecue sauce. Made in Instant Pot, old school pulled pork sandwich. Recipes on YouTube channel, Facebook, Old School Soul Food.